Hey guys, welcome to Log Nips. Today I'll be showing you how to update the Instagram app on your iPhone. And start right now. To update the Instagram app, first you'll be required to open the App Store on your iPhone like this. And after opening your iPhone, and first you'll be required to search for the Instagram app like this. And you can see there is the Instagram app. Let's tap on it, and there guys, you can see currently there is the open button available, but if your Instagram app had required an update, there would be the update button available. And if you had an button available, tap on it and your Instagram app will be updated on your iPhone. But in my case, I have the open button, so my Instagram app is up to date on my iPhone, which will not require an update. So there is an open button available, but this is the process to update your Instagram app on your iPhone. And there guys, this is how you update your Instagram app on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching guys. Peace.